Stop, Leann. Back up. Take a moment. Hello, everyone, and thank you so much for being here, and welcome to Leann's outdated and absolutely irrelevant unboxings. That should be the new title for my channel. Anyway, the first of the, well, it's not quite outdated, It's not quite outdated. It is my Ipsy Extra for January 2026. This is called the Year of Yes. Beautiful. Well, this doesn't look good from the start, I have to say. I've tried this before. This is from Glow Recipe. It is a brand that I really do enjoy. I haven't had the Watermelon Glow stuff in a while because, you know, I have a lot of skincare. This is the nightly treatment, the AHA. You know, I may or may not have tried this particular one, but I always love the inside of the box. Typical packaging, the same as, I don't know what. You know, it doesn't have the same strong watermelon scent that I've come to know and love. I figured I'd try it on this hand. My hands could use just as much AHA as the rest of my face or body and or everything, basically. Well, here's to more skincare. This is Clark's Deep Moisture Mask. It says Redness Rescue Daily Plumping Cream. It's your standard packaging. Wait, I don't think this is glass. I'm just curious. I can't tell if I like the scent. Let's try a little bit. It initially just feels like a moisturizer. But we'll see when I go into the app to read up on it. Okay, this is the Pink Lips Lip Sleeping Mask. And this is in the scent Cherry. Cute. It does have a cherry scent. It doesn't smell medicinal, which is a good thing. I would like to see what the texture is like. It's not quite the Laneige lip sleeping mask because those you can kind of push your finger into a little bit. This is a little bit firmer. Let me just try some on. It has a bit of a tint to it, which sometimes I don't necessarily want because you're going to sleep and it's going to get on your pillow. It doesn't have a taste. The next thing I have is from Rare Beauty, and it is their Soft Pinch Blush. And this one is in Believe. I don't know, but I'm going to try it on. Well, no, not on. Well, that's very interesting. Regardless, it looks like a color that I'm going to like. Or maybe not. It's very cool toned. Okay, all right, hold on. Let me just try to, because I'm not going to rub the blush in. So let's pat the blush in. By the way, if you ever see this sweatshirt on Fabfitfun, I got this before I canceled. It's horrible. All right, let's see. I put obviously too much on. I obviously put too much on. Or you could say it backwards the way I did too. Do I have? No, of course not. Why would I have one of those? Oh my goodness gracious. I have a gazillion brushes. I have millions of things. Can't find any of them at the moment. I really want to try this on. I never said that I was a logical thinker. This side it's hard to see because of the light for some reason. Oh no. No. I think it goes on nicely, man. I have powder on, I have highlighter on. Obviously, I'll have to try it when I don't have any other makeup on. At least I don't think, that it disrupted anything. Alright, well at least it's nice to get, one makeup product. Could I possibly have ordered another add-on? Your guess is as good as mine, but this is the Earth Harbor, a brand that I really love that I don't think gets enough love online. We do get a lot of them in our subscription boxes. This is Treasure, and it is a Barrier Boost Glazing Milk. Oh, that is not what I expected at all. Since I'm trying everything, I may as well, right? I don't know if it has a scent. It's very serum-like. Feels a little sticky. I know that the ingredients are going to be good, so The last thing I have, which I'm pretty sure is, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. This has to be the 5th thing. This is from Biro, New York. And it's the Shimmer Plum Lip Oil. I think I've heard good things about this. The packaging is very, very pretty. I like it. Let's try this on too, because that's what we're here for, is it not? Oh, that is not what I expected at all. It's a paddle. It is silicone and the most not what I expected whatsoever. I thought this was going to have, oh, wait, okay. Stop, Leann, back up, take a moment. As soon as I put it on my hand, there you can see the total shimmer, which I like, but I thought it was going to have more of the color. Let's just see. You know, it doesn't necessarily feel like a typical lip oil. The ones I've tried are usually silicone-y or super thin. This is like somewhere in between. It has a cooling sensation. I want to say that it has some grit because of the shimmer, but I can't really tell because my lips were not thoroughly clean before I tried it on. But let me just go into my phone and see. And I wanted to film another video, but I'm getting dizzy, so I'm going to have to stop, which is extremely frustrating. So the first thing, they picked this for me. This is the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Liquid Blush in Believe, and it's a true mauve. And you know what? I would definitely say that because it had that purplish undertone. Okay, let's learn about this. These are $25. And we did have a choice of 3 different colors. Hopefully I'm going to like this one. I don't know if I chose the color. I don't remember. Okay, the next thing is the Pink Lips Cosmetics Lip Sleeping Mask in Cherry. This is actually $18. You are getting 15 grams. I'm going to have to compare it to how much we get in the Laneige. It's only getting 2.7 stars, and I'm very curious as to why. They do not like the taste or the smell. Okay, you know, everybody I guess has their preferences. So I actually picked the Clarks Botanical Deep Moisture Mask. Don't ask me why. It's $85. Oh, what's interesting is they say that it doubles as a deeply hydrating moisturizer. You can leave it on for 20 minutes and rinse or tissue off, or you can leave it on overnight or in place of a daily moisturizer. So interesting. I actually did pick the Biro Sugar Plum Shimmering Lip Oil. This is $26. I really do think I'm going to like it. And do you know, I actually picked, I thought, okay, get your sentences out, Leann. I picked the Glow Recipe. In my mind, I'm thinking that I thought it was the regular Watermelon Glow, not the AHA Night Treatment. And this is $40. Am I losing my mind, or is this the only night sleeping mask? I thought there was one that was not an AHA. Please let me know, because I haven't been able to find the information. And as I suspected, as an add-on, where are you? The Earth Harbor Treasure Barrier Boost Glazing Milk. And this is the Deluxe Mini. They don't have the price of the full size, but I will add that, of course. So overall, you know, I was initially about the bag, but again, I always seem to surprise myself. And I think I'm pretty happy with my box. I'll add up the total, let you know what that is. I would like to stay and talk longer, but I'm starting to go into a cold sweat because I'm starting to get dizzy. And honestly, it really annoys the bejeebies out of me. But I would love to know what you guys think of my box. And if you get it, I'd love to know what you guys got. You're all amazingly wonderful. Thank you for putting up with me and my lateness and always watching my videos no matter what. You're amazingly wonderful. I love you, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.